I'm Elry with JTech, and today I'm going to be demonstrating how to test a horn circuit and also the relay. And we're going to be doing 4 different tests to try to figure out why the horn on this 2006 Chrysler Pacifica isn't working. Here we have a diagram of the relay, and we're going to be using the schematic of the diagram to test each terminal and see what we got. So first, I'm going to get my digital voltmeter, put it on, set it on volts, and I'm just going to test for the source voltage, see how many volts I got coming from my battery. Make sure that that's at an adequate voltage. Okay, so my voltmeter is reading 12.2 volts from the battery, so I can ascertain that it's a proper voltage. And now I'm going to check the terminals to see which one gives me power.
Are you telling me to go around?
Oh, that's it.
What's it? We don't sometimes go around
Okay, so I have the same source voltage from my battery to the 87 and 85 terminal. Okay, so I know that we have 12.2 volts of source voltage. So with that, I'm gonna use my test light, connect it to the positive side of my battery or the power side of my battery. And I'm going to ask the gentleman here to honk the horn to see if we have power from the switch, or there's a proper ground for the switch. He'll honk the horn. As you can see, we're getting power from the horn switch. So the switch is properly ground, and there's no issue with the switch. Appreciate it. Alright, so I know that the switch is working. So next I'm gonna use this wire here to bypass the switch and see if I can get the horn to honk by connecting it to terminals 30 and 87. Okay, so by bypassing the switch, I can see that the horn is working. I know that the switch is working and the horn is working. So now my last test is going to be checking the actual relay, checking the resistance of the relay, see if we have a high resistance, because usually relays will have a higher resistance to prevent a bigger current from going through it. Now I'm going to take my digital voltmeter, set it to ohms. I want to delta my meter. By delta, I'm just looking for the lowest ohm, the lowest resistance reading, and I'm gonna subtract that from my ohms reading. So my delta is 0.5. I take the relay. And we have a resistance of around 89 ohms. So I know I'm getting resistance in my relay, and the relay seems to be working, but it may be a bad connection in it. So out of these 4 tests, I've ascertained that my switch is working, my horn is working, and my relay has the proper resistance, but I might have a bad connection because it's been out so many times. It's probably just not making contact with the terminal. So my diagnosis of this horn not working, it would be a bad connection in the relay.
Our job is one huge